Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get a sliding mitt in MLB The Show. Sliding mitts are crucial equipment for any serious base runner, offering protection and style. To begin, you will want to explore the game's various avenues for acquiring this valuable item. There are typically two main ways to obtain a sliding mitt, each with its own approach and requirements. Let's dive into the first method, which involves direct acquisition. One straightforward way to get a sliding mitt is through the in-game community market. From the main menu, navigate to the shop section and then select Community Market. Here, you can search specifically for sliding mitts within the equipment category. Browse the available options, compare prices from other players, and use your stubs, the game's virtual currency, to make your purchase. Prices can vary, so look for a good deal. Another common method involves opening various in-game packs or earning them through program rewards. Many packs, especially those focused on equipment, offer a chance to pull a sliding mitt. Additionally, completing specific player programs, conquest maps, or daily missions often grants equipment as rewards. Always check the reward paths for these programs, as some may guarantee a sliding mitt upon reaching certain milestones. This method can be more time-consuming, but often yields other valuable items too. Once you have acquired your sliding mitt, the next step is to equip it to your player. Navigate to your active roster, select the player you wish to equip, and then go to their Equipment tab. From your inventory, choose the sliding mitt you obtained and assign it to the appropriate slot. With the mitt equipped, your player will benefit from improved sliding animations and a reduced chance of injury during aggressive plays on the base paths. Enjoy your new gear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.